All right, so now we want to find out, is it possible for t of n to equal 1400? So in other words, could we have this? Now, remember, we're talking about a sequence because we're talking about t of n. So our answer has to be an integer value. So I don't know, is it possible? Well, we would have to figure out if there's a value for n that's an integer that satisfies this this equation. Well, the first thing I'm going to do to solve for n here is I'm going to divide both sides by 2. When I do that, I get 700 equals 3 to the n power. So now the question is 700 a power of 3? In other words, can I do 3 raised to some power and get 700? If you're not sure, just try it. Multiply by 3 or try typing in some values, and what you're going to find is that you're going to go from a power of 3 that's 243, and then the next power of 3 is going to be 729. So look, if we do this, we have 3 to the first power is 3. 3 squared is 9. 3 to the third power, and I'm just showing you how this works here. So we end up with, these are our powers of 3, okay? Is there a power of 3 that gives us exactly 700? And there's not. So what that means is that there's not an integer value for n that's going to give us 700. So is it possible for us to have 700 as a term of our sequence? No, it's not.